The future of motorhomes is here, and it's bigger, bolder, and more luxurious than ever before. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we're diving into the stunning 2026 Kenworth T2000, a next-level futuristic motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in comfort, technology, and absolute style. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just take you places but transforms every journey into a 5-star luxury experience on wheels. That's exactly what Kenworth has achieved with the new T2000 motorhome, blending powerful trucking heritage with the most advanced innovations in the RV industry. From the very first glance, the exterior grabs your attention with its aerodynamic design, bold grille, and sleek LED lighting that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The futuristic body lines are not only visually striking but also engineered for maximum efficiency on long hauls, reducing drag while boosting fuel economy. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, this motorhome promises durability and stability even on the roughest terrains, making it a perfect companion for long cross-country adventures. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. High-end materials such as Italian leather, polished wood, and smart glass panels create an ambiance of elegance and comfort. The spacious living area features a fully automated seating system with massage and reclining functions, while panoramic smart windows adjust their tint based on sunlight, offering you perfect lighting all day long. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with state-of-the-art appliances, a smart induction cooktop, voice-controlled systems, and an expandable dining area that adapts to your needs. The bedroom is designed as a personal retreat, with a king-size bed, customizable mood lighting, and even an AI-powered climate control system that ensures perfect temperature throughout the night. The bathroom feels like a high-end spa, offering rainfall showers, luxury fittings, and advanced water-saving technology. Beyond luxury, technology takes center stage in the 2026 Kenworth T2000. The cockpit is fully digital, with an advanced driver assist system, AI navigation, and augmented reality windshield that projects real-time information like traffic updates, weather conditions, and route guidance. Autonomous driving capabilities allow you to relax while the motorhome handles highways with ease, while integrated solar panels and hybrid powertrain options provide greener, more sustainable travel. Entertainment has also been reimagined, with a 5G connected system offering immersive surround sound, holographic displays, and seamless integration with your smart devices. Every inch of this motorhome screams innovation and sophistication, making it not just a vehicle, but a futuristic lifestyle statement. Whether you're planning short weekend getaways or cross-country tours, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is built to exceed expectations. It's a perfect blend of raw power, futuristic design, and unmatched luxury that sets a whole new benchmark in the motorhome industry. At Honest Auto Wheels, we believe this motorhome isn't just about traveling, it's about experiencing the future of mobility today. So if you're looking for the ultimate road companion, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 might just be the dream machine you've been waiting for.